Okay, the compressor in question is a R290 compressor, part number MUPP-0018-RAA-173. We installed this condensing unit on a TM70. It's like the one I have right here. So what's happening is during the first start, it pulls a normal amp, which is about 1.3 to 1.5, and after off cycle, when it's trying to start back up, it pulls a high amp. We're gonna simulate that today. Let's go ahead and plug it in. By the way, we only have the low side connected on the gauge. The high side is not connected. First start, it's a normal amp draw. Disregard this pressure. As normal pressure, it will go down about 5 to 10 psi. It just got done. We just shut it down. It is actually at 19. The RLA of this condensing unit is 2.7 amps, by the way. The rated load amps, 2.7. We're going to simulate a restart after an off cycle. Let's go ahead and unplug it. We'll give it some time. We program our ERC to 1 degree differential. So if the temperature drops about 1 degree, that's when the condensing unit turns back on. The off cycle is about 3 minutes on this cold wall. 2 to 3 minutes. Wait for a few. Pressure is slowly equalizing. Let's go ahead and simulate a restart after off cycle. This is when we see the high amp draw. And with that high amp draw, about 10 amps. What happened after that is they will shut down the compressor because of that overload relay. It's pulling high amps. I don't know if this is normal, but what it does to our temp is the temperature will rise up about 5 to 10 degrees if it's doing this, because sometimes it does it like 3 times. It won't start. I mean, the compressor is running, but at the same time it will shut down in a few minutes. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's just a matter of there you go, the compressor shut down. And sometimes it does that like 3 times before it goes back up, before it goes back to our normal operating amp.